You're watching Revest Radical Rides. Don't forget to rate and subscribe.
Alright, I've got the car on jack stands. Back from another 2 weeks vacation. So we're going to take the rear end out. And my plan is to correct a little bit of rust slash. I'll have to get you under there anyway. But I just got to knock out. I've got the weight off the spring. I got the nuts off. I just got to pound the pins off. And I'm going to unbolt the shackles up here and just drop everything down, roll it out. All right. Got everything unbolted. Time to drag her out. Oh yeah, stuck her on jack stand. We don't want to pull those out, do we? Huh. All right. Okay then. And squeeze it. Okay, I'm not gonna let you guys watch me struggle. All right, so yeah, I I locked the shackles in behind the jack stands like an idiot. So for now, I think I'm just gonna take the shocks out. I don't want to blast those off because it's dark out in the neighborhood, and I don't want to be that guy. So I'm gonna take the tank out and remove the shocks. All right, this is what I'm on the hunt for: a plug to replace this. The motor mount on the LS, the aftermarket one, doesn't fit with the heater, the block heater in place. And for all my American friends, yes, block heaters. Yeah, we use these to plug in the engine at night so that the coolant doesn't freeze, or it's actually warm in the morning. Yeah, easier to start. Yeah, this little element here warms up the water. But anyways, motor mount comes literally up to here, and all of this is in the way. So if I can't find anything, I'm just gonna cut this off and basically weld it shut and throw it on there with some Loctite and some sealant. But we'll find something, I know. All right, the first 6 liter I checked. I wish I had a 6 liter, not a 5.3, because that 6 liter, the block heaters, and it's way on the other side of the block and wouldn't be in my way. But yeah, we're gonna go back. I got a couple LS's. We're gonna go see. All right, under that yellow tarp. What the hell? That one's at the back of the engine. Maybe it's just the aluminum blocks that have them up here. Yeah, because mine is literally right here, and the motor mount, the aftermarket motor mount, blocks it. But this is a 4.8, a 4L60. Everything ran and drove good. I'm gonna put this in the blue S10, but we'll see. We're not there yet. Oh, we're not there yet. Cover it back. Okay, next thing. All right, my last hope. That's not my last hope. The other ones are in the trucks and kind of don't want to rip anything apart, but I have an old, came out of an old valet mine truck. So, you know, I don't know if they were bare bones and didn't get block heaters and maybe got to plug. We'll see. We're almost there. Last chance for romance. out at the farm with Riley and Isla. I have this thing, and I walked over for giggles and shits to see if it would fire up, and it literally, like, these batteries are like 2 years old, sat in the winter, and it almost fired up. Almost. So we've got this teeny tiny little, what is it, 4-banger, a diesel 4-banger with a transmission. This would be cool in something. I don't know what, I don't know how, but it would be cool in something. So yeah, for the future. I came over here to see if there was anything on this front clip that I can use for a race car. I was basically looking for a steering box, but there's nothing on here. So we're gonna go in the back. We're gonna go in the back and get our steering box, okay?
Okay.
Okay, come with me.
I'm coming.
You're coming? Let's go, let's go.
Is it the blue thing?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll go see. Isla, did you know that that's Mommy's truck? The one with the purple hood.
The blue one?
No, that's Auntie Anise's. That one's Mommy's.
This one?
Yeah, we're gonna fix it for her.
Hooray! But I see your thing.
Okay, well, let's go see our things.
Okay, let's go see.
She's got a mind of her own. She'd rather follow the puppy than listen to what I have to say. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Are we driving a truck?
Yes.
Are we driving Daddy's new truck? One of them?
I
So-
see a seat.
See a seat?
He's sure with his baby.
What's that silly seat doing there?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
What is he doing?
This thing runs rough, but it runs good. Maybe we can use it around the farm.
Maybe.
It's a little bit of valve train tick. What do you think? It's good oil pressure.
Daddy,
Yeah?
but I don't want to go home.
You don't want to go home? Do you like being at the farm? It's fun, eh?
Can I play?
We like to play, but it's almost your bedtime, so we're gonna have to go home.
Aww.
I know, Raina's in bed already. Do you want to say goodbye to the YouTube friends?
Bye, YouTube friends.
Turn over here, say bye.
Bye.